heart be light. From now on our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on our troubles will be miles away.
Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, getting near to us once more, once more.
Through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Yeah, now. Rudolph, Rudolph, hey, hey. Rudolph, Rudolph, hey, hey, hey. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to love and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then out the reindeer left him, as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. You'll go down in history.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town, town.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not frown. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus.
He's making a list and checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're away. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not frown. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming